How you doing? Good. You guys go?
This lady scores everybody.
Who?
Her, me, and the wheelchair lady.
What's going on?
Yes, my name is Johanna Hernandez. I work on the OMS Mundial YouTuber.
What?
Me, liar.
You going?
No.
Listen, you going to go or you going to go to jail? Let's go. Get in the car. Let's go. Get your stuff. Let's go.
On February 5, 2024, officers responded to a disturbance at Hartsfield-Jackson, Atlanta International Airport. The location was a Spirit Airlines departure gate. The passenger, a Colombian national, spoke primarily Spanish. What makes this case legally interesting is not who was right. It is that both sides were partially right. Only one of them committed a crime, and the underlying grievance never disappeared, even after the arrest.
How you doing? Good. You guys go?
This lady scores everybody.
Who?
Her, me, and the wheelchair lady.
Okay.
Everybody.
So what are you guys doing?
Try to be home her, but she's not.
So you denying a flight or what? What's going on?
Probably not, because she's under something. She can stop bothering everybody.
But so you guys gonna let her fly or no?
Probably not. Like that, no, I don't think so.
So this flight about to go out?
No, it's a maintenance. Like she's Spanish.
Okay. She speak English?
No. That's why I'm try to help her, but she tried to curse me.
She seems calmer.
No, she said she started recording me. She told me I'm report you because you don't want to help me.
So what she need help with? She never told you?
No, I don't know why she.
Man, how you doing?
Excuse me.
Yeah,
Hi.
How you doing? Let me tell you something. What's going on?
Yes, my name is Johanna Hernandez. I work on the OMS Mundial YouTuber.
What?
Me, liar. Me. U.S. speaking Spanish?
No, can she translate?
Listo.
Yeah.
Ella dice que no habla
Yeah,
inglés.
let her translate.
Okay. ¿Quién me sirve de traductor? ¿Quién me puede servir de traductor que no sea ella?
Her.
Nadie. ¿Le da miedo?
You speak Spanish?
Yo tengo abogados poderosos.
Hey, speak to her and translate to me.
The lady.
Speak Spanish to her, then translate to me.
No, the lady and me say no English.
Okay.
Okay? No Spanish. Me Spanish and ella speaking Spanish. In me they say, marica, yo no sé hablar inglés. Ayúdeme a hablar en inglés, marica. Si es como lo que pasa y no ayudan. ¿Quién habla inglés? Nadie habla inglés.
You speak Spanish? Yeah. Okay,
Yes,
good.
señora, ayúdeme.
She's saying that she was talking to a lady and she's just telling her she didn't understand Spanish. And I guess altercation happened. I don't know what happened after that.
Well, ask her what happened as far as the altercation.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
Okay. Yo saqué con Spirit, yo compré el tiquete.
She said she went to Spirit, she bought the ticket.
Me, the operation today, 6 hours. Ah, ok. A mí me van a operar hoy a las 6. Me van a hacer una... Y yo pedí una silla de ruedas.
She asked for a wheelchair.
La señora dijo que no sabía hablar español y que no me entendía.
She said the lady didn't understand Spanish and she didn't.
Y la señora habla español.
Okay. So is this the reason why she's so upset? Because she doesn't understand Spanish?
Eso porque tú estás fogonado.
Señora.
Eso porque él siente que tú estás...
No, yo hablo así. Mi YouTuber in the page. Mi YouTuber.
That has nothing to do with why I'm here.
¿Ah?
Okay,
I'm here. Tell her I'm here because she's in here making a ruckus. That's why I'm
¿Que me
here.
va a arrestar?
Mira, él está aquí porque tú estás haciendo mucho ruido acá.
Ah, bueno, es que yo hablo duro porque, dígame,
Ok,
que aquí
pero-
todo el mundo dice porque me van a operar hoy.
Okay,
Y nadie me ayudó.
Chair, and she's trying to speak to people, but nobody understands.
So she's frustrated because no one understands her.
Nobody understands.
Okay, so
that
this-
she needs a wheelchair because she's getting an operation.
Okay, so this flight's about to go out, correct?
Yeah.
Are they doing maintenance on the plane?
Yeah.
Okay, so the walk from here to the plane
In
is
the-
probably 40 feet.
In the
Does
pool.
she need a wheelchair to walk
Mira,
40 feet?
tú no necesitas red ahora, ¿verdad?
Señor,
Tú necesitas.
la silla, yo la necesito.
There's no one else here.
No hay más.
There's no one else here.
Excuse me, me, two sillas.
She said there was 2 seats there when she was asking for them.
En the silla,
But someone has to push them.
me, ay no,
Tell her,
Mira,
so tell her, listen,
ella podría hacer.
the wheelchairs are trying to someone to
dígale
push.
que excuse me, que me, no problem, you,
Pero-
friend, I me,
Mira.
agradecido con U.S.C.
Ahora él te está diciendo que cuando tú querías la rueda, alguien tenía que ponerte ahí adentro.
Sí, yo lo hice,
Okay, tú
desde
tenías
allá.
que- tú- okay, she
Excuse me, yo le explico.
She said she tried to get a chair from where she
Detrás de
checked
esa
in.
señora
She first
estuve
checked
yo.
in.
Yeah, and
And
they
she
wouldn't
didn't get
give her a
one.
chair. No. So she had to walk all over here. She was telling them that she
Me
needed a
hicieron
chair,
de-
but she wouldn't understand you. She said everything she tried to ask somebody,
Nobody
they kept
could-
acting like
nobody
they wouldn't understand her, and they wouldn't understand her, and they wouldn't give her
Well,
nothing.
if you could, just tell her she's
Okay.
she's here now.
Tú estás aquí,
So calm
cálmate,
down.
cálmate.
You're
porque
almost
él-
at your destination.
y, tú vas a montar en el avión ahora, pues tú
Sí,
tienes que calmar. Si
mi,
tú no te calmas, ella te va a arrestar.
calme, no, y arrésteme.
Ok,
Si
pero
quiere.
cálmate,
No.
cálmate. Eso
So,
que ella te está
explain
diciendo
to her,
aquí, es de que te calmes.
Yes, and explain
Que
to her,
te
listen,
calmes.
she has to abide what they
Que
say.
te calmes. Si ellos no te quieren entrar al vuelo, porque como tú
Ok,
estás haciendo?
que no me entre.
Ok, pero-
yo me quedo
sí,
mejor.
pero cálmate,
yo me
porque-
quedo.
Porque- You did not boarding? Okay, so now her board is denied now. So
No,
now,
no boarding?
Yeah, no boarding.
Mejor porque ahí sí los voy a
You drove up here
demandar.
down the road?
Mejor.
You drove, I
Gracias,
walked.
señor.
Okay,
Ellos te
I'll
van a
walk you
sacar
down.
ahora, eso.
Yo voy a
You take it
pasar
back to
my
the-
liar
No.
in the,
Ok, mira,
yes,
ok.
eso era lo que necesitaba, señor.
Follow him.
Camine, mi
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Thank you, man. Yeah, I know. I can tell. Yeah.
No me van a operar. No voy a viajar hoy, viajo mañana. Tranquila que viajo mañana, yo compro el avión. Aquí me van a arrestar. Espere, yo sé que usted me está viendo, pero ellos están
Need
cometiendo.
what?
Todo el mundo aquí está loco.
No, you don't.
Ya no más, no más,
she's
no
not,
más.
you don't know who she is?
Tome mi
Where's your
teléfono.
boarding pass?
Señor,
Your boarding pass.
in the liar, mi,
I need
búsquele.
your boarding pass.
¿Ok?
Your boarding pass, yes, that.
Tranquila, señora, que esto se le formó con mierdero a usted. A
That's
mí
good.
no.
You ready?
Me va a arrestar.
She upset because she wanted a wheelchair way when she checked in, and they didn't give her one. She got upset because nobody was understanding and giving her what she wanted. So then she comes to the gate and she starts making the ruckus about why she had to walk so far. And then so now, but my thing is, you're here now, so why make the ruckus? You already made it here. But she's not understanding that. She wants to
The
keep
lady?
pushing her thing. Let's go, man. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Escúcheme, por favor.
We passed that now. Let's go.
No, no me voy a montar en el avión.
Yeah, you getting off this terminal.
Mi pago taxis, ¿ok?
No, you're okay.
Mi legal en Estados Unidos.
How you doing, young lady? Good, man. Let's go.
Ay, gracias, señor, gracias,
go.
padre.
Yep. Just gonna give you a ride back to Spirit.
No, espere.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're going.
No.
Listen, you gonna go or you gonna go to jail? Let's go. Get in the car. Let's go. Get your stuff. Let's go. Let's go.
Mire,
Let's go.
no.
Let's go, man.
No.
Hey, you can't be out here. Hey, you can't be out here. Get in the car. You can't be out here.
Bájame.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Hágale.
Come on.
No me vaya a tocar.
Get in the car.
No me grite. Arrésteme. No.
Begin with the airline. Under Title 49 United States Code, Section 44902 subsection B, a carrier may refuse transport to any passenger it decides is or might be inimical to safety. Judicial review is deferential. In Williams v. Trans World Airlines, the Second Circuit adopted an arbitrary or capricious test. That standard almost never favors the passenger. The boarding denial here would clear that bar comfortably, but airline discretion under Section 44902 is not a shield against every other duty. The Air Carrier Access Act codified at Title 14 Code of Federal Regulations Part 382 requires wheelchair assistance from curb to gate to aircraft door on request and without additional charge. If the account is accurate, paid wheelchair service, no wheelchair delivered. That is a regulatory violation. Enforcement lies with the Department of Transportation, not the responding officers, and it does not vanish because she later misbehaved. Now turn to Georgia criminal law. 3 statutes are potentially in play, and they stack. Official Code of Georgia Annotated, Section 16. 1139 defines disorderly conduct to include tumultuous behavior placing another in reasonable fear of safety. Prolonged shouting at gate staff can qualify. Section 16721 addresses criminal trespass. Once boarding is denied and removal ordered, remaining in the sterile area becomes unlawful. Refusing a lawful order to leave completes the offense. Section 1610-24 prohibits obstructing an officer. Fleeing during a lawful escort satisfies the misdemeanor element. If any physical force accompanies the obstruction, the charge elevates to a felony under Georgia law. Then there is federal exposure. Title 49, Code of Federal Regulations, Section 15, 40.105, prohibits unauthorized entry into a secure area or air operations area of a commercial airport. The moment she ran toward an active aircraft ramp, the calculus shifted from state misdemeanor to federal aviation security. This also transforms the use of force analysis. Under Graham v. Connor, 3 factors control: the severity of the offense, the immediate threat to safety, and whether the subject is actively resisting or fleeing. Flight toward an active aircraft ramp satisfies all 3 simultaneously. Immediate physical restraint was not merely permitted, it was operationally required. Ground crew aircraft engines and moving equipment created imminent danger. One more constitutional layer. The Atlanta Police Department, as a recipient of federal funds, has Title VI obligations, articulated in Lau v. Nichols and Department of Justice guidance on limited English proficient individuals. Certified telephonic interpreters are the recommended tool. Reliance on a bystander, while permissible in exigency, is a fallback.
Hey, get in the car. Always
You
something.
are the problem.
Yeah, I know.
Najib Bukele in my phone. You. No, Najib, no.
Hey, let me close
Dios.
this shit.
You
Listen,
in the
bro.
problem. You, OMS. Ustedes atentaron contra mi salud. Se metieron en problemas. Ustedes se metieron en problemas. I'm illegal. You?
We're gonna make this up.
No. You attempted myself. Ojo, me botan las cosas, señor. You attempted my derechos humanos. Los derechos
Stand up. Come on.
No me cojan. ¡Suéltame! ¡Ah! ¡Auxilio! ¡Help! 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 Ellos... ¡Ay! ¡Mis manos! ¡My hands! ¡My arms! ¡Estúpido! My liar, in the dash, my liar. Todo esto lo van a pagar. No conmigo, sino contigo. No me cojas así. You very problems. Excuse me, you are speaking Spanish?
Nope.
I need speaking Spanish. Liar.
Okay, hold on.
Mis brazos.
Tranquilo.
Mira cómo me pegó. Me auxilio. Yo trabajo con la Organización Mundial de la Salud, ¿ok?
Sí, habla un poquito español. Eso es un momento.
What was the issue?
Me pegó en la cara. Mira cómo me volvió. Mira. Yo no estoy loca.
It's okay.
Por favor,
No. So we go to escort her out. She walks with us. She gets out to the car. She takes off running out to one of the planes. So I had to run her down.
So nobody Spanish has talked to her yet?
No.
I had a guy there that was translating well. But the problem was, she's upset because she wanted a wheelchair when she first checked in. And she didn't get the wheelchair. So she's pissed off because she had to walk because she had some surgery or something.
Okay.
And she's mad. So then she gets to the gate and she's expressing how mad she is because she didn't get a wheelchair.
Okay.
Now she wants one at the gate. But I'm like, well, listen,
No,
you about to board the plane.
no,
You don't need the chair now if you walked all the way out here. So why all the hubbub? Just wait and get on your
Señora,
plane.
yo
Okay.
soy una hija de Dios. Él me
Not aborting?
pegó. Él
She
me
says,
abusó. Él
take me,
abusó de
okay,
mí.
cool. She
Y
understood.
de mis
Get outside.
derechos. Yo tengo derechos. Soy
Pick you up,
ciudadana.
take her stuff, put it back in the car.
Colombiana.
She takes off
Pero
running.
también tengo a Dios en mi corazón. Yo no hice nada malo. Yo pedí una silla de ruedas porque me dolía la espalda mucho. Y yo pagué por eso desde el principio. Una señora en
there's
español dijo que no
obviously a
sabía hablar
language
español. Yo no hablo
So,
inglés y yo a todo el
we need
mundo
to
le
get
pedía
maybe
que
like
me
one of
ayudara y
the
nadie me
people
ayudaba.
here just to kind of.
La señora me trató muy
the guy
mal.
that was
Yo
translating for me,
solamente
I got
estaba diciendo,
the gist of the story.
Spirit era la mejor
Yeah, I think she
empresa.
kept,
¿Que
take
por
me,
qué?
take me. I'm
Yo
like,
le pedí ayuda a todo el mundo.
Yo comprendo. Un momento.
Ok, métame acá.
see, she
Métame
do what she
acá.
want to do. She ain't trying to listen.
Y my liar. Quítame esto. My liar.
She do what she want to do.
My liar. My liar. Is my liar and my phone.
Nah, you ain't getting no phone.
I have the rest. I call my phone.
You ain't getting no phone.
I need the mail.
On grades, the officers earn a C+. Lawful warning, justified pursuit, low continuum, force, honest debrief, one unprofessional on-camera remark, and no attempt at a certified interpreter cap the grade. The passenger earns a D+. A valid regulatory grievance was destroyed by refusing lawful orders and running toward an aircraft. Spirit Airlines earns a C. The boarding denial holds. The alleged wheelchair failure does not. The bystander interpreter earns an A. He translated bidirectionally without editorializing and materially reduced tension. 3 practical lessons emerge. First, for passengers, a valid civil complaint never authorizes disobedience of a lawful order. Pursue Department of Transportation complaints and civil litigation. Do not convert a winnable case into a criminal record. Second, for carriers. Section 44902. Discretion does not cure. A Part 382. Violation. Deliver the accommodation you were paid for. It prevents the escalation that ends in police involvement. Third, for officers, certified telephonic interpretation is inexpensive, fast, and legally defensible. Use it first, not last, and every word spoken on a body camera becomes evidence policy and public perception simultaneously. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.